Hi everyone, a little video to show you my LEDs here. I did install some new LEDs. Those are 18 watts. They're the same as the other one that I have. I did put them on magnet because I didn't want to have them fixed. So when I'm using my backhoe, I'm able to take, I have one on each side, and put them on the backhoe. I'm running them along this hydraulic line, going inside, and it's hooked up in here. I did hooked it up. I did use an electric cord, household, and this is polarized, so I can hook up 3 outlets here. And this is on a switch that I did put there. It's not. It's just installed temporarily because I'm removing this in the summertime. So. And I did hook it up on this little connector that you see here. This is plug on the key switch. When you turn your switch, it's gonna light. But I did put the switch there because I don't want them to be open when I'm riding on the road. So, and that's it. I did put a clock so I can't check my time when I'm plowing snow. And I'm ready for the storm here. They're supposed to have 6 to 10 inches of snow. We're already at 5. Supposed to stop this afternoon, so getting the tractor ready. Thanks again for watching, and can't wait to try those because I have a LED there that is lighting up all the back here. But the thing is, when I'm using the snowblower, I don't see at night where I'm shooting the snow, and those lights will light up the place where I will shoot the snow. So that's pretty cool. I saw this on Paul and Caddy channel on YouTube, and I did like their video. Just go check it out. He did put bracket, but I have a lot of those magnets, so I will be able to put it on the backhoe and use the backhoe at night in the summer. Thanks again for watching, and put a like on the like button, and please subscribe.